guys, I'm Jerry with Caldwell. I'm going to tell you about our new Claycopter Rip Launcher. So last year we came out with a handheld Claycopter launcher. It throws these discs that we call Claycopters, if you're not familiar. It's really cool. It's an ultra portable, 2 pounds. You can load a single or a pair of targets on here. And unlike the one we came out with last year was battery operated, really nice. This one has a pull cord just like your weed eater. You aim it down range and you pull and it launches. Awesome. It'll throw up to 80 yards. Best part, the retail's under $100 on this unit. So if people want to get out and shoot Claycopters experience and don't want to go full to the batteries, we have a thrower for you.
Awesome.
Another electric thrower. We have this one in a dark tunnel for a reason. It also works in the daytime. We call this surface to air. It uses our same battery pack as the handheld electric, but as you can see, this holds 50 targets. These targets are white, but that's because they actually charge with a UV light that's built into the head of this thrower. It has an RF remote that'll throw a single or a pair. You can set your angles and speed with those knobs down there. But what's really cool, we'll step out here and I'll show you on my screen. Download the free app. I can pair up to 10 different devices and run them from my phone. You can see where I can set angles, I can randomize it, I can do voice launch if I'm shooting by myself. But this is my favorite feature. It's called touch to launch. So we take our phone, we take a picture downrange. So this is what downrange looks like. We'll pop up the grid lines. You'll see a power level bar here come up. That's the speed that I'm launching at. And wherever I touch on the screen is going to be the angle. I can go between singles or pairs. So let's go to a pair. And we'll go down to the center since we're in the tunnel about half speed. We can come a little bit left from that. Just like that. So I have plus or minus 45 degrees left to right, 15 to 45 on my elevation. So I can really make some interesting target presentations just by tapping on the screen.
That's great. How much does the device weigh?
10 pounds.
That's it?
Yeah, it's only 10 pounds.
So carrying that out of your car ain't too bad.
No, it's very easy. It's very portable. So it's great. That's going to retail around $500 with one battery.
Wow. That's awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you.
All right. Cool.
All right, ready for another one you are.
All right. Cool.
Left edge.
That's pretty awesome. It's all windy, so it's flying all over the place. Dude, that's amazing. I'm good. Wow, that's the whole new technology. In fact, on your phone, you can pick where you want it to go. Yeah, that's classic. Very cool.